Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of the Windows Mail app in Windows 11, one of the things that is happening is that you are also being told that you can try the new Mail app in Outlook, or the Outlook Mail app. You know, we told you last year at some point that the Windows Mail app will eventually be changed to a Outlook app that will be your mail. And you can see the icon here on my taskbar because it's open, which is different from the icon from Windows Mail, which is more of an envelope. It's, you know, I've tried it. You can see here, I've turned it on. It seems to be unfinished. So here I'm in the spam folder, but it seems to be unfinished. There's some stuff in here. It's like, yeah, okay, but the placement of different things, and of course on the left side it brings you to the bar, the kind of toolbar with all your Office apps if you have Office. I don't really know how to, for me it seems unfinished, so I don't know what to say yet. Do I like this better or not? I'm not sure I like this better. Then again, there's only one email that I use in there, and even that, I don't use it all the time, because most of the time, I actually look at my emails through my smartphone rather than using a PC for that. So, I don't know what to say. Is it going to be a positive change? I'm not sure, but we'll wait for subsequent updates. So if you're on Windows 11, you might have that switch. It's not everybody that has it apparently, but some of you might. You might have that switch, which you can turn on, which changes you to Outlook. What's very weird about it is that it's kind of a two-phase, startup. When you go and you click the Mail app, which is here, it kind of jumps, it closes and opens again, but with this app. So it's very bizarre the way it's doing it right now, and I guess it's because they're still testing it. And you can always revert back. If you click and stop the new Outlook look, you can always revert back. So I don't know what's going to happen and what's the future going to be with that. I don't even know how many of you actually use and still use today an email aggregator for emails like this, or there's a few other aggregators out there. I use my mail online, and I use my phone most of the time. 95% of my email use is really through the phone. So I don't know. Will this be a winner? I'm not sure yet that this is actually going to be that great of a change, but we're going to see if, in subsequent updates, when it gets better. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. If you have used it, tell me what do you think, and hopefully it gets better over time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.